If you want eye-catching YouTube thumbnails without Photoshop, Nano Banana can generate them automatically. So I'll show you in this video how to create a viral style thumbnails step by step. So guys, I'll be using this OpenHeart AI service. You don't necessarily have to use this one. I just use it because it has the Nano Banana model inside it. And now, in order to create our thumbnails, what do? On this service, you go image and then you go create image. And this takes us to, as you can see, this interface where we have the prompt box, and of course we can choose our model. So as you can see, I've already created something here. And in order to start, of course, make sure that you switch the model. In my case, I will switch to Nano Banana Pro, which is right over here. Great, now the model is chosen, and this takes us to the part of actually creating our prompts. So depending on what you wish to create, the prompt will be different. I will just input mine, the test one, but you, in your case, you can just make your own. You can take mine as an example and then adjust for yourself. Alright, so for example, I will use this prompt right over here. Make sure that your prompt consists of all of the keywords needed to make the end result as accurate to what you want to see as possible. After that, we choose the size. I will just choose the widescreen and I will create 2 images. And then press on create. Don't forget that on most of these services with AI generations, you'll have credits. As you can see, I spent 80 credits on creating these 2 thumbnails. Okay, so these are my thumbnails. As you can see, this is the first one. Really cool. I really like it. And also the other one. Sorry, not this one right here. As you can see, just exactly what I described. And the thumbnail turns out to be pretty good, I would say. And on other services, you do pretty much the same thing. You just go and choose, just like I said, the creating of image, create image, then you go into the interface, create your prompt, and then you can create and download the image. Like this. For example, I choose desktop, save, and this is my image right over here. So enjoy creating, guys. This is your little guide. If this helped, don't forget to support our channel by liking the video and subscribing, and see you soon.